Hey, want ABB level products without extreme high price? Join Mia and we will show you a plastic extruder factory with VEIKONG 355 VFD, which worked in this factory for more than 6 years and get the fault-free feedback from our clients. Let's dive in.
This big power VEIKONG drive are totally completely in replacement of ABB drive, where ABB used to install here, but it has been burned. So customer bought VEIKONG for energy saving, and everything is working perfectly since last 6 years.